Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you how you can create custom domain using systemio. Maybe you are a digital marketer. You have been using system.io. You've created your landing page, and you want to bring people to system.io, especially like your leads. You've done your campaign and you redirected them to system.io. Now you want to follow up with them. You've created your email. You automated the process. But you along the line you want to test whether if the process is working. Then you decide to send your email, and you find out the email that you send goes into your spam and junk email box instead of going into your inbox, and that's a problem. So in order to prevent this from happening, so I'm going to show you how to create a domain inside system.io. So in order to create that domain, you need to come to your profile, click on settings, click on custom domains. So as you can see, I have two custom domain already in place, but you can add other domain. So for you to add another domain, you come over here, you click add domain. Then where it says domain name, you click there and you add a domain that you want to use. For me, for example, I'll say metutor.com. So I'll click save. So as you can see, there's a message that says you have exceeded the limits of your plan. This message is coming up because I'm using the free version of system.io. I've not paid for any subscription. But if you pay for subscription inside system.io, you can create multiple domains. But right now, I'm only limited to 2 domains. So I'm just going to, delete this one. So once you create the domain, you'll be, shown this information, the DNS configuration for your domain. So this information these are the information that you're going to use to configure your domain. But first of all, in order for you to be able to configure your domain, you need to buy a domain, and you need to buy from a domain provider. In Nigeria, we have multiple domain providers. We have hostking.com.ng. So these are various domain provider in Nigeria, but I'm using what I went with DomainKing. So I'm going to open DomainKing. So we are the site of DomainKing. So as you can see .com. These are the various domain .com, .com.ng, .ng, .org. So these are the various domain with their different prices. So what I did was to buy .com.ng. So I bought it. Then DomainKing verified my payment and everything. And when they were satisfied with my payments, or they were sure that I paid, so they sent me a mail. So in that mail, that mail is going to contain, the information that I need for me to configure my domain. So I'm going to, show you the email that I received from DomainKing. So within the image, you can see cPanel login detail. Then the cPanel login URL, the cPanel username, and the cPanel password. So what I'll do, I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to open it up. So now this is the cPanel, back end. So those your username that that will give it to you. You come here, you paste it, your password, you paste it here, then you click login. Okay, so we're inside cPanel. This cPanel. So the first thing you need to do is to look for domain. You're going to look for domain. Okay, so this domain, then you click on it. Click on it. Then you click on manage domain. Then next thing is you click on modify zone. So it carries you to the zone editor. From here now, you're going to add those information that was given to us by system.io. So in order to add this information, the first thing you need to do, make sure you click CNAME. You click add record. And make sure the type, you change it to CNAME. You must do that. Then you go back to your system.io. You copy this information. Then you go back to your zone editor. You paste it here. Then make sure here you type www. Then you click save. Once you click save, it will give you a notification that your record has been saved successfully. Once it's green, means that all your record has been saved successfully. Then another thing we can do again is to add another record. Then we'll go back to the information again. Then you make sure you copy from here before the dot. Make sure you copy from here. Everything from here. Then you go back to your cPanel. Then you paste it here. Now you can see now I'm getting this error message. The reason is that, like I said before, under your type, make sure you must change this A to CNAME. So now that I've changed it to CNAME, you can see that error is gone. So now we'll go back to system.io. Then you make sure you copy all this information. Then you paste it here. Then again, you need to click save. Now, once you click save, same process, a message will come up, indicating that your record or your information have been saved successfully. And once that message comes and says that your record has been saved successfully, then you are done with this. So the next thing is to go back. We go back, then we'll go back to our domain. Then you can just click manage. Then we click an email address. So here now you're going to set up your email address. So you're going to indicate your username. You're going to set your password. Then okay, so username, I can just put Saturday. Password, I just put Saturday 1. So next thing is you click here, create. Okay, so I'm unable to create this thing. So let me see. Okay, so this is what the process you go to create your email address and you activate it. Then the next thing is to go back to your system.io. Then we can cancel this. Then definitely you get a message telling you pending validation. Pending validation. So once this is verified, the next thing is to come to your mailing settings. Under your mailing settings, you go to domain, then click here and add domain. So what you're going to do here is to add the domain that you created. For me, I created the metutor.com, so I'm going to add it here. So metutor.com. So once I've typed it, then I click save. So it to be automatically added to the domain. Then you get the status saying pending. Then
once it's verified, you can now, set up the necessary things for your domain. So this my email address that I created, which has been verified. So they're still trying to verify this domain. But once everything's verified, then I should be able to use system.io to send my email address, and it will go directly to the main boss of my client. So this is how you can set up system.io. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified when I drop new video. Thank you.